Hey y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a little simple curl tutorial that I found in my phone. So you want to go ahead and comb out that piece of hair, and you want to spray that piece of hair with a little bit of product. I am using Design Essentials spritz, and I'm gonna go ahead and comb it through the entire piece of hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my curlers on my hair with my clip at the top. And since I'm curling on the left side, I'm making sure that hair comes out of the left side of the curlers, so our curls will fall inward. You're going to go ahead and twist and hold, and then you're going to hold it on there. Another thing, this is 613 here, so make sure that heat is no more than 400. Flawless.